Right. All right. So, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Business Satsang today. Our topic today is how to create attention grabbing videos. We are going to learn the content, the format of attention grabbing videos. Right. So, I would like to know how many of you have already made some videos on YouTube. You can simply unmute yourself and share with me.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please, Rohit. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Rohit.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I've made a YouTube channel recently, 10 to 15 days ago. Basically, I am trying to share the English grammar course where we are covering basics of English to advanced level topics of English.
Okay.
Actually, the thing is, I myself is an educator, but due to the COVID situation, I'm not able to open my coaching institutes. So that is the reason why I thought that I should take this course to YouTube as a platform to get as much as English learners to access this course.
Right. So, now how will you create course on YouTube?
Ma'am, I've just segregated the course into a few parts and I've created a playlist where I am uploading the videos actually.
So now, all right. And now these are free videos.
Yes, ma'am.
How will you monetize it?
Ma'am, that's where the challenge is
All right.
because I am not able to reach as much as people I want to organically. That's where the challenge is.
Now, this is not your challenge. This is everybody's challenge. And this is, I keep getting emails that, ma'am, I'm not getting enough leads from Facebook. What can I do? Ma'am, I don't
Yes,
have
ma'am,
views on
exactly.
my video. What can I do? So there is no simple, what do you say, magic formula. There
Mm-hmm.
is no standard answer that the value of pi is what is the value of pi? I also don't, I forgot. 9.14?
22 upon 7,
Okay,
3.14.
3.14, right? So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
that is a standard answer, right? Now for this, you need more than digital tools, you need strategies. Okay.
Exactly.
So this is everyone's challenge. Now the strategy for your offerings are very different. For example, you are an educator, you are into subject, English,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
We also have life coaches, we have business coaches, we have spiritual coaches, right? We have health coaches, right? Now, depending upon your content, there is a strategy for each type of knowledge giver. So for me, all of you are knowledge givers. It is little easier for subject teachers like English, math, physics, bio, but you need to know that approach. You know how what all you can cut down. It is little difficult, not difficult, I would say. It takes a lot more preparation for life coaches to business coaches also. You know, business coaches knows how to go get the attention. Some of them, right? But for life mastery, mindset shifts and all, you need little better preparation. The content that you write on your website, the content that you use to share your videos, okay? If you're writing a blog, if you're writing an email, if you are doing a WhatsApp broadcast, right? How are you going to engage with your target audience, or how are you going to attract their attention? So today I am going to be giving you that magic formula, okay, for attention grabbing content. Okay, so today we will focus on videos, but this format that I'm giving you, if you prepare yourself, you will be able to use it everywhere with a little tweak here and there, just changing little sequencing. But today's focus is videos, right? So Rohit is saying that I have now for you, Rohit, if you want to create a course, YouTube is not the right place.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yes,
either
ma'am.
you
Mm-hmm.
can, if you are short on money, you can use
Mm-hmm.
Vimeo as a video hosting platform where you can create a course.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, you can use some learning management systems like Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi, Learn Dash. These are some of the platforms. And now there's one more new Zenler that I am currently migrating myself on. So what happens is it gives a great experience to your target audience, and you are offloaded. You know, a lot of things you can take quizzes, surveys, comments. But in Vimeo, you simply can create the course in a specific order, and I think the cost of the minimum cost that you have to host on videos is around Vimeo is around $9, I think, a month.
Mm-hmm.
It would be a good place. Now, why I'm not asking you to use YouTube. I will share that as well. Now, all of you, please pay attention because this is very important for all of you. Because though Rohit has volunteered and asking the question, I'm sure it is relevant to all of you, right? So, when to use YouTube and when to use a learning management system, when to use Vimeo, which is a video hosting platform, right? So now let us address this because Rohit has, once Rohit said, I'm putting my course as a playlist, then how will people know that this is a playlist? Number one. Number two, how will you make sure that people are going through whoever are seeing, you're leaving up to them to go through it?
Yes, ma'am.
And how will you know who are going through it? Your subscribers.
Exactly.
So now you are having lead leaks, you're not able to monetize, and the monetization conditions of YouTube will take a long time. I think it needs about 1,000 subscribers and 10,000 views,
Yes,
organic,
ma'am.
then only you can start monetizing, right? So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
you are an educator, you are giving proper English course. Why not monetize it from the beginning? Why not have the name and contact? Would you like to have the name and contact details of person who are learning from you?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So that is a separate thing. I'll hold on that for a moment because our today's agenda is the content. Let me finish that, and then I will address. Uh, uh, okay, what videos you can prepare on YouTube? Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
as an educator, Rohit, what video are you are putting proper courses?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you see, there are multiple ways we can look at this. Number one, if you have decided no, I am going to focus only on YouTube as a channel and I want to monetize only YouTube, then you can do what you are doing. Okay, but it is a long way to go, but you will have to promote your videos. You will have to do the Google ads and promote, so your focus is increasing your subscribers, but you're losing because even if you have 500 subscribers, you don't have their name and contact details. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
but if instead of your actual course videos, you create some short bites, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, which is positioning yourself as a good teacher for English. So those may I, someone, I'm just going to mute everyone. Okay, so please don't unmute yourself unless you're going to speak, right? So the what videos to make on YouTube? The videos which will position you as an authority in your subject. That means you will be giving a glimpse to your target audience of what you are capable of, okay, and what you can do with your target audience. So that is the intent and the agenda of YouTube videos. You don't give your complete solution as YouTube videos, right? So for that, you now what content, now that is a session by itself, that how to identify, how to find out what is it that people are asking for English language, what are the type of question, because you want to create relevant videos, you want to create videos, correct, right? You want to create videos where people are asking questions. So let's do this. Okay, I'm going to share my screen, and we are going to go to Chrome. Let's do so English, right? So what exactly you do in English, Rohit? Can you share?
Ma'am, English grammar course. It's basically an English grammar course.
Who is it for? Children or adults? Or who is it for?
And basically, it's focusing on children.
What
but since English, yes, ma'am.
What age group?
Ma'am, the senior ones, like from 5th to 10th, we can say.
Now, so now there is a problem, right? The learning needs of a 5th to 7th grader is different. 8th to 10th grader is different. So you have to qualify who this video, or just make English for 5th class, right? I mean, let us say English grammar for class 7. See, people have made PDF English for class 7. Let us take that, okay? English grammar. Let us see what people are asking. What I'm trying to help you with is what
Mm-hmm.
will make your content relevant. Whatever
Yes,
your
ma'am.
people are asking, those videos, you may have hundreds of ideas to make videos, correct?
Mm-hmm.
But which video will get more views, which video if you are promoting you will get subscribers, and how they can become your customers, right? So
Mm-hmm.
we
Yes,
need
ma'am.
to know what right, that is what you want, right?
Exactly.
Class 7 English grammar. Now here we don't have any questions because we haven't asked yet, right? So basically it has
Mm-hmm.
to be in the form of a question. Say, what is important, or I will say, is there a shortcut? Some question, one question I need to know, okay? What are the questions typically your target audience ask, those who want to come English and learn English grammar? What are, okay, suppose I am your prospect, okay? I want my
Mm-hmm.
child to learn English grammar from you. So what will you tell me about, why should my child, why, first of all, why have I come to you? Is my child weak in grammar, or I want my child to be better in the language? Why have I come to you?
Mm-hmm. And basically, the biggest challenge that people face here is that the foundation in the English grammar is quite weak
Okay.
right from the beginning because of lack of exposure or whatever it is.
Yeah.
It's weak. So all of a sudden, when they go to some secondary classes or senior secondary classes, they are some sort of burdened with all this.
Okay.
So they are not exactly getting the clearer picture of what exactly the basic things are,
Right.
like parts of speech. They don't even aware about what exactly are the parts of speech, what are the different parts of speech. Like
Yes.
it's quite a basic topic. So my aim particularly is to take those topics right from the beginning, right from the grassroots to the level where they actually can make sense to a senior student as well.
Okay.
So basically that's what the end objective is.
So now that is a very good. I mean, but these are like benefits, and I call them. I have a GPS system, gain pain solution system. So what you
Mhm.
have shared right now with me is basically, you are addressing that. What is the problem? Now, what is the
Mhm.
pain behind the problem? Actually, in your words, you've already expressed that. Pain
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the problem is weak fundamental
Basics. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
foundation, but the pain is burden of learning everything at one go, right? Which creates stress. That is the pain behind that problem,
And
right?
ma'am, moreover, that the students are not really quite expressive about that as well.
Yes,
Regarding, if we talk honestly, if we talk about our recent education system, English is not even considered as a subject.
correct.
So whenever someone asks के I want to study English, तो बोला जाता है कि तुम 5वीं में पढ़ते हो कि 10वीं में पढ़ते हो, इंग्लिश कौन पढ़ता है? So basically that's what the people's reaction is.
Correct.
So that is the reason. So the students are also ashamed of expressing it, that okay, I am not that good in this topic, okay, I don't really know what exactly this topic is. So that is where the problem is. So at YouTube, you don't need to justify why you are learning this, why being a 10th student you're watching the concepts that are helpful for a 5th class student. So that's what it's all about.
Right. No, good. So, but all these things we don't need for today's session. It is more like your it is your marketing collateral. The okay. I mean, what you shared just now, the problems and the solution, and the pain, and how people will benefit. We haven't spoken about it, but
Yes, ma'am.
this becomes your marketing collateral. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
that is separate. We are looking at one. See, once you are marketing, it is very important that you are covered from 360 degrees. So you are doing, suppose, a Google, you are doing a video on YouTube,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
you are doing ad also, you're spending in marketing also, okay?
Mm-hmm.
But then somebody comes on your website or whatever content, not only website, landing page, but if you have not written the content in a way which makes people curious
Mm-hmm.
to get in touch with you, then you lose that lead. So your marketing effort also goes waste. Now that is a separate problem. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we are looking at how to. I'm saying that you want to create videos, great. You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
short videos, 10 minutes videos on whatever you said just now, that even a 10th grader goes and looks at 5th class ka English or 7th class ka English. So great. Okay, do that. So make those as free videos so that the student is becoming comfortable with you and he wants to take classes from you. Right? That is the idea basically.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that the idea, or you simply want to make free videos?
No, 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 ma'am. That's what the idea is.
Right? So look at, so what videos you can make, right? How can I learn English grammar quickly? See, I did a search. Is there a shortcut to learn English grammar? Okay. So nobody tips how to learn English grammar easily. Now this can become your video. This is what, see, whatever comes in Google here, this is what people are asking. Learn English grammar step by step. So if you make a video with this as the title of the video headline, you will get attention on your video. Okay, if you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
organically, it's very difficult nowadays. Okay, it's better to spend money and market it. Okay, so whatever it is, you have a budget of 2,000 rupees a month, 1,000 rupees a month, whatever it is, market it. Okay, organically it is going to get all the more difficult, and it is time consuming, and you don't have to wait. You can't, that time is over. Okay, this organic 3 or 4 years back, 5 years back was good. Right now, all of you, whatever you are doing, how will you let the world know you exist? How do they know you exist? Nobody is simply going to come on your home just like that. You need to reach out to your target audience. Okay, and that is why it is important to market. Okay, so now let's look at, see, these are some of the videos you can prepare. I've given you a hack, right? Like this, right? How can I, these are what people are asking. That is why it is coming on first page. So you can make videos on these topics which people are asking. You can go, you can look at some of the 13 tips to make English grammar easily and make such videos. 6 tips for improving your English, right? Like this videos, if you make shortcuts, learn English step by step, or whatever, tricks to solve English grammar, short tricks to English grammar. Okay, all this becomes your knowledge sharing video. You are sharing some knowledge. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You're not sharing the course. You're sharing knowledge. You're giving shortcuts and hacks. So if people like that, you can say, then you have to, now let's get into the format of your video. Okay, so now everyone understood here what kind of video, why YouTube. Use YouTube to position yourself as an expert in whatever you do. To position yourself as an expert in whatever you do, what you need to do is look at what people are searching, because you must make relevant content, not the content. You may be PhD of your subject, okay, but people want to learn ABCD. So if you are making PhD kind of videos, you will not have viewers, you will not have customers, because you are like, master of what you are doing, but most of the people want to learn only ABCD, right? So how do you know, how do we know what people are looking for? By doing that. One second. Mera pani dena beta ek glass. Right? So yeah, so we got what kind of contents you should prepare on YouTube to position yourself as an authority in what you do. For that, create relevant content videos. Now Rohit has got so many video ideas. Rohit, did you get video ideas?
Definitely, ma'am.
Right. Now, if Rohit wants to create an English course, whatever course he was conducting, right? So 1 minute, guys. You should either host it on Vimeo or get on a learning management system. Make it like a proper course. It's an investment in your business. Vimeo will cost you $9 a month. Learning management system will cost you $29 or $39 a month. The basic version, which is good to go. Good to go in the beginning. Okay, $39 बोले तो 4,000 रुपया roughly. Okay. So now that is a separate topic. How to do all of that? We are not getting there now. So now Rohit knows how to prepare video on which video to prepare. He is going to Rohit choose one question, no, from that list. I'm going to share my screen now, because now I want you everyone. What should be the flow of your video from top to till from the time you are starting till the time you are ending. This is the today's agenda, because this is going to make your videos attention grabbing, and it will also make people subscribe. It will also make people will be willing to share their name and contact details if they resonate, if they like what you are saying, right? So can you choose one question, Rohit, the first video that you want to make? Let me go and show you that link again from this question to can you just choose one, or you can create your own topic based on this. Can you see the screen, Rohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to say that which video you would like to create?
Ma'am, I found that very interesting. Step-by-step process to learn English grammar. Something like that. Yes,
Super.
ma'am.
So now you are going to create influence build. It's called influence building videos. Okay. Influence building videos, positioning yourself as an authority, as an expert in what you do. That is the intent of your YouTube videos. Always keep that in mind. Your intent is not to deliver the full course. Your intent is to position yourself as an authority in what you do. Right? So now your step-by-step process to learn English grammar. That is the video you are going to
Yes, ma'am.
make, right? So now can you tell me how, just can you, is it all right if I ask you to just tell me what is it that you're going to say in that video? Assume you are recording the video. What is it that you're going to tell in this video? What all things you're going to say?
Ma'am, first of all, the first question that I'll be sharing with, first question that I'll be going through in the video is that why exactly, what is the need behind learning English grammar? That why is it that important? So I'll try to, summarize it in a form that yes, it is very important, not only as a language as well, but as a skill as well. Because as a language, definitely you need it in school, you need it in college, you need it on almost every competitive exam. But as a skill also, you need it for interaction, you need it to communicate in a better way. So in a way, that is where the importance of this language or grammar lies. So what exactly we are going to do?
Yeah, great. And now this is one, but you're saying step-by-step process to learn English language. But now you are saying now why the need? In this video, first you're going to focus on why the need.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So now, suppose you are recording a video. Okay. Just do it. If you can come on video, that will be great, Rohit. If it is all right with you, it's okay if you are in home dress, casual, doesn't matter. I want you to assume you are recording the video. So what will be your opening line?
Okay, so shall I say it?
Yes.
Please.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So I generally start off with my videos going like, hello everyone, welcome to the English grammar course. I am Rohit Sharma, your educator of English grammar. And in this course, we are going to cover all the basic to advanced level topics of English grammar. Stop. Yes, ma'am.
Nobody is going to watch your video. Why? I'm really sorry. Okay, first of all, if my words hurt you guys, I'm really sorry, but I really want that your effort should not go wasted. So I'm going, this is the problem, right? That is why you are not getting views, because you have spoken about what you do. People don't want to know what you do. People want to know what's in it for them. What you do. Repeat. People want to know what's in it for them. What you do. Okay. So yes, when you say hello everyone, gone. First of all, nobody, everyone. When you say everyone, can you imagine someone? Right?
The students.
Hello, no, which student? Engineering student, chartered accountant, CA student, lawyers, school student, 5th graders, 10th graders. Who?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, got it.
So what should you, even before you say hello, you have, now comes the content. Write it down, everyone. Your first statement of your video is always a question. So what is the question you are going to ask, Rohit?
The question that I'm going to ask is, are you finding it difficult to learn English grammar or to deal with English grammar? Something like that.
Beautiful. Now let us make it little more dramatic. Now it is still not attention grabbing, okay? Where many people will be asking this question. You have to make it more attention grabbing. So, okay. So bring the pain of the student in the question that you're going to ask, because they have lack of fundamentals of English grammar. So what is the pain they are going through because of that?
Number one, they are not able to attend the questions the way they should be. And number two, they are not able to express their problem, that expressively due to the whatever. Yes, ma'am. To their teachers or to whomsoever they are trying to learn English from.
So is it okay if we say, hey 10th grader, are you unable to express your lack of understanding English grammar to your parents and teacher? Are you feeling embarrassed that you don't know the fundamentals of English language? Are you feeling burdened with English grammar? Is lack of understanding English grammar draining your energies? Are you fearing to fail in English grammar? Now, these are the opening questions.
Right questions.
Right? Now, so everyone, your first statement. See, there are various formats. I'm going to give you this format today. Okay, I have many formats. It depends on the type of video you're creating. If it is a course video, then how it should be. It is an influence building video, then how it should be. If your introductory video, you're talking about yourself, who you are, your introduction, how it should be. So there are different videos have different formats. We are looking at your content, okay, which is influence building videos today. So first, you always try to ask a attention grabbing question. Now, this is generally a pain question. Whatever I just shared, these are all pain questions. Right? Are you fearing to fail in English due to not understanding English grammar? We can fine tune that, okay? It's your topic, but
yes, ma'am.
Are you getting stressed out with English grammar? Right? And that is giving you chills, and that is giving you sleepless nights. Would you now immediately after that pain question, your next question again would be a benefit question. Would you like to get rid of this? Whatever pain you spoke about, would you like to overcome this problem? Would you like to learn shortcut English grammar? Would you like to learn the step-by-step process to learn English grammar? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have got their attention. Do you agree that the attention span of people is very less than 6 seconds?
Definitely, ma'am.
And if you don't get their attention in those 6 seconds, they just move on to another video. So how do you get people's attention? By
asking the right question.
By bringing that pain outside. Right? Telling them there is a solution. Hi, I am Rohit. Then you will give your credibility. I have been in teaching profession for how long, Rohit?
Ma'am, 3 years.
3 years?
Yes, ma'am.
Helped, how many students have you helped to learn English faster?
Ma'am,
grammar?
200 plus students.
I have over 3 years of experience and trained over 200 plus students with English grammar skills. Simplified their English, simplified whatever, you know. What is the solution?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Whatever, no?
Simplified English grammar skills. Yes, ma'am.
How have you helped the students? What is the benefit they got? What is the benefit your students got, those 200 plus students? How did you help them?
Ma'am, basically, the procedure is that I conduct an initial test. Like it includes all the different, basically the beginner to advanced level questions. So exactly where the student is lacking, that is the student even not aware about the basics, or the basics are clear, he is just not able to get that one step ahead. So accordingly, we
No,
structure that course.
sorry, break, stop.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I am asking, suppose I
Mm-hmm.
am your student. I have
Mm-hmm.
weak English grammar. I came
Mm-hmm.
when I came to you, I didn't understand figures of speech. I didn't understand much. But after
Mm-hmm.
working with you, how did I improve? What happened to me? So the
Mm-hmm.
students who come to you, they come with
Mm-hmm.
certain problems. When you give them the
Mm-hmm.
solution, what is it? How do they benefit? They start scoring more, or
Mm-hmm.
they feel English is easy. You make the
Mm-hmm.
subject easy and simple for them. So if they
Mm-hmm.
rank whatever they scored. They started scoring better.
Mm-hmm.
30% increase in their whatever marks.
Results. Yes, 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 ma'am.
Can you give me such three benefits?
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Number one, they found it simple. They found that English grammar was मतलब कि जो उनका जो डर था basically, the thing that they were scared of कि नहीं हुआ सा है English grammar, they found it easy, that it's not that difficult. Number two, they started enjoying it. They actually started doing more and more questions. They started involving with the subject more. And
Beautiful.
number three, definitely, they've got better results.
Beautiful. Now you answered, right? Hi, I'm Rohit. I have over 3 years of experience teaching English grammar to over 200 plus students, where
Mm-hmm.
my students were able to overcome their fear of the language. They were able to
Mm-hmm.
enjoy the subject. They
Mm-hmm.
were interested in the subject as they found it very easy and simple. And
Mm-hmm.
as a result, they started getting better results in the
Better
subject.
marks. Mm-hmm.
This is how your, one second.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, one second. I'm at Nagpur actually. I am at my parents' place. I didn't want to discontinue my business satsang series. So little logistics issues I have. Hopefully next Tuesday I'll be in Bangalore and I'll conduct from there. My full setup is there. So yeah. So now you have a pain question and then you have a
Mm-hmm. Benefit question.
would they like to overcome, get rid of
Mm-hmm.
something they are
Mm-hmm.
facing. Then your introduction in short, hi,
Mm-hmm.
one line, not even 5 seconds. I'm Rohit, 3 years being an English educator, 200 plus students, and the three benefits people have got from you.
Mm-hmm.
Done? Then,
Mm-hmm.
today in this video, today, we will learn the step-by-step process to whatever is whatever is a knowledge sharing video. Now your content start. Now is
Mm-hmm.
content piece. Now
Mm-hmm.
try to make it only three. Say for example, today we will look at the 7 types of figures of speech. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Or today we will look at 3 types of figures of speech, and then you just 1, 2, 3 cover only 3 topics because it will keep your video crisp and short.
Mm-hmm.
Now the content part is totally yours as a knowledge giver.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to get there. All
Mm-hmm.
my input here is just make it 3 bullet points. Every video, today this video, I'm going to cover 3 points.
Mm-hmm.
Total duration of the video should not exceed more than 10 or 12 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
right? So this is how you're going to do your content. So pain, benefit, your introduction with
Introduction.
and the results
Mm-hmm.
you have given, then
Mm-hmm.
your content piece. Now
Mm-hmm.
you are, and try to always ask questions in the content
Mm-hmm.
also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so did you find it easy and simple? Okay. Always end your video with a call to action. Okay, call to action means if you like what I shared, subscribe on my channel.
Mm-hmm.
One second, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so where I was, yeah, call to action, right? So
Mm-hmm.
now suppose you are doing a Facebook campaign, or you have a landing page, or you have a PDF, okay, which you
Mm-hmm.
want them to download,
Mm-hmm.
or you want to collect the interest. Now let us look at how you can use your influence building video to generate leads.
Mm-hmm.
Now if you simply say subscribe to my channel, you don't have their name and contact details. So
Mm.
if you don't have any other thing, you can do that. This is for people
Mm.
who just want to become a YouTuber, because their
Mm.
intent is generating more subscribers and monetizing the views and stuff like that. But if
Mm.
you are if you want people to get in touch with you, okay,
Mm.
and you are not waiting for them to contact you, you are directing them by giving them some free bonus or some free download. We saw step by step English PDF.
Yes, ma'am.
If you would like to have my ebook on step by step process to learn English grammar, click on the link given in the description below
Description.
and
Mm.
download your free copy.
Mm.
The moment you have done that, जिसको चाहिए ये कहाँ
Mm.
जाएगा आपका? Now you need some digital systems and tools.
Mm.
Otherwise, you will take them to Google form, then you will
Mm.
take their details, then manually you will send them the link. It does not work like that anymore. It's a very outdated ways of doing things. If you want,
Mm.
see, this is a serious business for you, you must invest in some your website or some tools, or at least right now you can create an account in Instamojo,
Mm.
okay, and you can create the PDF in Instamojo. So
Yes,
when they
ma'am.
are downloading the PDF, they will give their name and details,
Mm.
right? So next, maybe next session, I will teach you guys how to use Instamojo. Okay, so that is free. You don't have to invest in. These are, I'm a hacks person. I love shortcuts. I love helping people save money as much as they can, because I realize that even if you have number one product or service in the world, unless you are marketing yourself, you will not
Mm.
get the desired success that you are seeking. So I want to save all your money towards your marketing, because that money you're consuming for yourself. And especially with the online marketing, Facebook and YouTube and all, that money is coming to, is fully being used for you. So you need a lot more money for marketing.
Yes, ma'am.
So see, what is happening is I see in the market that people sign up for high ticket programs. Okay, then they're all their money, 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, gone for learning, because you are shown that do it yourself. And you will be independent. You will be able. You people spend so much money learning that when it comes to application of that learning, even if you have applied, but finally where your whole gadi will get stopped, marketing.
Yes, ma'am.
So I want all of you to, that is the reason I'm doing this satsang, so that you guys can learn as much from me, so that you whatever money you are able to save, please use it for your marketing. Yeah. So I'm going next Tuesday. Let's do Instamojo. Okay. Next Tuesday we will do Instamojo. I think today's content is done. Thank you so much,
Mm.
Rohit. I took your example. This is how I would like to do it. So instead of just coming, showing a slide deck, showing some bullet points, talking what I have to talk, it at least one person also gets super value out of these sessions. Whoever volunteers, and if the session is going on for long, it is for everyone's benefit. So you can always volunteer and I can review what you do. So I hope it has helped you, Rohit. So I'm
Definitely, ma'am. It was really helpful.
great, awesome. And I did all of you also enjoy the session, guys? How is it for everyone else? Before I get to you guys, let me summarize what we learned today. We learned many things actually, but the agenda was the how you make your content attention grabbing content. One format is always starting with a question, one
Mm.
main question for each video that you are going to do now. I wish somebody would have asked me this question, that ma'am, every video how can I say the same question? So whatever topic you have in that video, that is why you need to identify 10 pain questions. Okay. And
Yes,
for
ma'am.
each topic that you are going to cover, there must be a pain. Are you struggling to understand simile as a figure of speech? So okay, I'm just making it up. Okay, I don't even know your content, right? So whatever is your content, you can have a pain question of that. This is for educators. This is for subject teachers.
Mm.
Spiritual coaches, life coaches, we have a different approach. You know what? Same approach. I mean, the approach in the sense your pain can always be. Are you struggling? Are you struggling with a stress due to COVID in your family? Right? Are you not able? Is COVID has COVID And it could be something like this. Is your family member COVID, and is that draining you out? Right? Is that draining your energies out? Are you getting into depression due to pandemic? Like something like that, right? So it depends. For them it is different. For meditation it is like, okay, yeah, would you like what see for meditation type of spiritual coaches, what would be the pain, right? Are you seeking your life purpose? Are you struggling to find your life purpose, right? It's time to connect with your inner self. Hi, I'm Vandana, da 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 da. My content, call to action. So the structure is communicative English. I don't understand, Amitava, what you're saying. So I'll get there. So let's summarize. So pain question, how to get rid of whatever it is, how to overcome, how to get rid. Would you like to do that? Then your introduction in very short, then your content, and the content can also be in the form of story. Now I'm giving one more twist here. Okay, your content can be just a speech, but please don't do speeches. Have a conversation. See, do you think I'm giving a speech from this side? I'm sharing my knowledge, but is it like a speech, or like a classroom teacher trainer? Is it, or is it like a conversation? Please type in the chat box. Is it like a conversation? Does my session sound like a speech or like a conversation? Please type in the chat box. What do you think? Interactive. Right. Thank you so much. It's a conversation. Thank you, Dhruv. Thank you, Girja. So all of you, all knowledge givers, you are not here for a performance. You are here to have a conversation. Right? As a speaker, we are not supposed to perform. We have a conversation. When you have a conversation, your session becomes very interesting. People look forward to coming back and listening to you. Thank you so much. Interactive, right? Great, Sharda. Thank you so much, right? So this is how your videos will be. Pain, how to get rid of that, your introduction, the content. The twist here is, again, even for school teachers, subject teachers, and even for coaches, life coaches, spiritual coaches, business coaches, if you want to explain a concept, you can do it in the form of a story. You don't have to have, I'm going to teach you. So there are 4 ways. I believe that in today's pandemic, you require the 4A within you to become a great entrepreneur. So what are the 4A? Ability, adaptability, agility, and accountability, right? So what is ability? Now I'm talking like that, right? Now it becomes boring, right? But same topic, if I want to cover as a story, right? I could just say, for example, ability, right? So, I have a friend who is, she's like 60 years old, totally tech averse to technology. Looking at the laptop itself scares her away. And she's a great speaker. And she understands that unless she gets online, she will not be able to take her business forward. Now, she has 2 choices: either outsource, but most of us have money challenges, right? Or she can learn it herself and do it. But she has a lot of fear of technology. So what should she do, right? So this is the time of adaptability. And this is the time to increase your ability, right? So what is adaptability? That even if you are averse to technology, there are a lot of tools available in the market. Very nice user interface. Sign up for a course, learn how to use that tool. So what you have done, you have adapted yourself to the changes that's happening, being a visionary, that this is the way business will happen henceforth. And you have also got yourself skilled. That is increasing your abilities, which is learning how to use InstaMojo, how to use autoresponders, how to use learning management system, right? Now I have also given the content. I've showed you right now impromptu 2 ways of delivering the same content. One with a gyan speech with and the other way with a story. Which one will you remember? Which one will you remember out of the 2? The first one or the other one? The story. Thank you so much, Dhruv. Thank you so much, Rohit. Thank you so much, Amita. Jitendra, thank you, right? So your content can be storified as well. So what can Rohit do? Take a story. He said, Benny, they overcame the fear of English. Take one student. I had a student named Sanchita. When she came to me, she was struggling with the da 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 da. Okay, and then we worked on this particular aspect. And then after my program, she was able to gain the 3 4 things. So what exactly? So you are actually now talking to people like Sanchita, who, because there will be a pattern. Most people will struggle with certain thing, right? So that's how you can also storify your content. Make sense? Make sense? Type in the chat box. Make sense? MS. Make sense? Right. Now there is one more aspect which is for life coaches, business coaches, spiritual coaches, and even educators, right? That why is it important for you to do this, right? So you also must try to establish an emotional connect. So now with the story that I shared, I established an emotional connect with you guys, right? My content had an emotional appeal, right? So try to get an either, because people buy you first before they buy your product or service. So people need to connect with you emotionally. Now look at that Bonvita ad which is coming. I'm not a TV person, but somehow I'm here in Nagpur and I happen to saw that Bonvita ad. Huh? Because of COVID, that mother is saying that मैं तो यहाँ हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ नहीं रहूंगी, लेकिन मैं I am making sure that your immunity level is going up. Have Bonvita. That is that. So they look at any successful ad. There is always an emotional connect, because people connect emotionally. People buy emotionally. No, people buy emotionally first, and then they justify their purchase with logic. Okay, so there is a left brain, right brain. So you need to have both the emotional connect as well as the logical connect. That happens. Stories sell, facts tell. So if you have a mix of stories and facts, for example, you can say in India, there are over so many students. These are the teachers, these are the quality of teachers, and so many, 11% of all the students struggle with English. Okay, something like that, whatever is your numbers. Basically, facts means some numbers. Okay, that, and that is why it is important to do whatever we have to make sure, whatever your business, whatever your course, right? So if you can also have the emotional connect, and you can also have the logical aspect. Now these are optional, depends if there is a need to have in the video. If there is, great. If not, leave it, no problem, right? So pain, how to get rid of that? Your introduction in short, content, it can be storified. Try to build an emotional connect. Try to get the facts inside your content. Always end your video with a call to action, CTA. Subscribe to my channel, comment below, download my PDF, whatever. Sign up for my free session happening on whatever, sign up for my free session. Every Sunday I do a free session. Link is given in the description below. Whatever it is, so not only you're building your influence, you are also generating leads organically. It may be organic, it may not be organic, depends. Like I'm doing a Facebook campaign, but surprisingly my Facebook subscribers are going up. My intent is not that, but for the Facebook, I mean, I didn't plan like that, but I'm seeing that I'm not putting any money, but my subscribers are going up. I'm trying to get people get my course for free. So for that, I'm doing Facebook campaign. So now most of the people think, ma'am, it's a free course. No, then why you have to market? Whatever it is, people think, oh, I'm doing it free, so people should come. No. Even if you're doing for free, it has to be marketed. Please learn this as an entrepreneur. Marketing is the number one marketing skills, marketing strategies are the skills that you need to have, and you need to invest in marketing. Okay, very important to achieve whatever you want, right? So you must focus on marketing, right? So what we learned today is a marketing strategy on the influence building, creating videos in this format, generating leads. It's a marketing strategy. All right, got it? Great. So this is what all I had to share for today. I hope the session made sense to you. Now, may I have some if you have any questions, please unmute yourself and speak. Otherwise, you can simply share how was the session for you. And then some of you who don't know how to access the course, I will share that. Just let us hear. Anyone has any questions on whatever I shared today? If you have questions, simply unmute and speak. How to invest in marketing? So can you unmute yourself and speak? So I need to understand how to invest in marketing. You need to have funds. I mean, what I don't understand your question because it's too broad for me. It's we need to narrow it down. Can you unmute yourself and speak? Thank you, Ummi. Ummi, you had raised your hand in between. You wanted to say something?
Hello, ma'am.
No.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes.
Ma'am, I want to know that how you are doing the marketing that we are signed that no your page how for attending the webinar and all. How I'm an educator, I'm a physics faculty. How I can make that content to reach my students through social media like Facebook or if it's a WhatsApp group. How I can reach to my students?
See, that is what you need. This is the problem everyone has. What's your first name?
I want to reach my class to my students. That is free class.
Aswasthi. How do
Ashwati. My name is Ashwati.
Ashwati.
Yes.
All right, Ashwati. Yeah, see, that's how everyone wants to reach their target audience, right? So, do you already have the name and contact details of your target audience? Whatever I shared for Rohit, exactly same thing is valid for you as well.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. But I'm not very familiar with that. How to make that content in the ad form, and I want how to upload it. How to grab the students. Which age group I want to concentrate. How we can put the social media into that age group. No, that certain age group students will reach our ad. So how we can do like that? What's the marketing strategy like that?
Yeah, okay. Thank you for asking that question, Ashwati. So now that is what I'm saying, right? You are a content creator, you are a teacher, right? Now, if you want to learn how to market yourself,
Yes.
okay, you should be willing to invest at least if you are a good learner, at least 1 year. Okay, I have invested last 4 years to learn digital marketing. I am a software engineer by background.
Okay.
Okay, I'm a 96 graduate. I worked with TCS for about 7-8 years, and then I started from 2006 onwards. I'm having my own businesses, multiple businesses. In 2017, I decided to become a speaker, and then I realized that I need to learn I thought I need to learn how to use Facebook, how to learn LinkedIn, but gradually I realized it's not about that. It's about the digital strategies, because there are a lot of people who can do the Facebook ad for you. Okay,
Okay.
but what should be done in the ad so that you start getting attention? Now that piece comes with lot of experience and expertise.
Okay.
So now what you should do is, I'm going to be conducting, I think from June onwards, three-day workshops for those who simply want to create their online courses. They will be paid workshops, and I'm also telling it will be priced at 999 for 3 days, and it will be 2 hours per day. Okay, 2.5 hours. I'm putting that in place because I see that a lot of people struggle. Now you have learned, now you know what to do, but again you get stuck. And I decided to help a lot of people, so I decided to make it affordable. And for that, I decided I'm going to break it. This whole system can be broken into 3 stages. Digitalization, which is converting your knowledge into pre-recorded courses. Okay, that is one stage. Those who want to record their courses on and host it on a learning management system. Okay, the next stage is marketing and monetization. Now, if you don't want to record your courses, but you simply want to do live classes and start earning, that is marketing and monetization, where we will teach you how to do your Facebook ad and how to write your ad copy, so that you can, at least get, understand what it takes to monetize and market whatever you know. Then it is up to you. If you are tech savvy and you've learned, you can do it on your own. After that, if you feel, no, I want to outsource it to someone. See, why I brought this question, because now if you want to learn all this on your own, it is going to take a lot of time. And still there are so many tools, so many things to, it is like, learning this whole digital system and marketing.
That's why we are in academic section. We are not having that enough time to concentrate on the digital marketing side. So we need some supporting persons to help us, or we want to know that how we want to do the digital marketing, how we can reach to the student with a good tone of voice, and how we can attract the students and parents in this current situation. Because here the digital classes are going on, so many competitors are there in the same subject, so many persons are coming and taking and classes, so students are also confused which one is better for them, how they can choose the right person, right tutor. That's a big question mark to most of the students nowadays. So I want to reach my students in the correct path. I want to guide them to get good results also. So how to marketing is my question. I am stuck in that area.
So you will have to invest. You will have to give it to someone who can do it for you. You have to work. You have to sign up with a consultant who can work with you. I can help you do that.
Okay, thank you so much.
By investing, it means you should be willing to put money.
Okay.
Okay. So otherwise, because you're setting up your business, okay, that is why I understand people have money challenges, right?
Yes.
So that is why I'm trying to come up with a way where it is not, it is pocket friendly pricing and you still learn. Okay, if you have a child, if you have a son or a daughter who is little tech savvy, they can also sit and learn with you, and they can help you. So your burden is reduced of outsourcing it to an agency. At least I can put you on, all of you, in the right path. So for that, I have decided to come up with 3-day workshops. Okay. So you can join that. We'll share the plans.
One thing I'm discussing frankly here, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, I suggested one. I seek the help from one agency for supporting me, for promoting me as it. But they by my lot of money wasted like that, and I not getting any benefit from accurate benefit what I expected. So I'm not depending on that marketing person, but I want to learn how to do my marketing my own, because so many YouTubers are coming and they are making the sensation videos, and they are getting so many views, but they are not having any technical knowledge and all. They are from village persons also making that most popular videos and all. So I'm very eager to know that how we can make it and how we can control our technical side and as well as academic side.
Right. Yeah, thank you, Ashwati. I understand your pain. I understand what you're going through, and I also understand that you've already invested somewhere and you didn't get the necessary result. Yes. Because there are a lot of people who do digital marketing. I have also spent a lot of money and lost. Okay. Yes. I have a jewelry showroom. We spent like 2.5 lakhs on Facebook in 2016. Not even one customer conversion. Okay. So that time I didn't have a need to learn all these things. But when I tried to create my own personal brand of speaking, I had to learn all these things. So it is difficult to find good people in the market, number one. That doesn't mean that good people don't exist. Okay. So, so now when it's everyone's journey that you have invested at some place and it didn't get, this is because you didn't even know it's like, if you are hiring a teacher, you know what are the skills you expect in the teacher, correct?
Yes, yes.
But when you are giving your work, digital marketing work, you don't even know what you should ask these people.
Yes, yes.
Right? So that then they say, okay, we'll make website for you, we will do Facebook campaigns for you, we'll do this, we will do that, and you think, okay, that's all. But it's not about execution. Okay, it's about planning and strategy and then execution. So if you directly go to digital marketing, you may end up finding good people or you may end up losing your money because those people didn't know. They know how to set up the Facebook campaign, but they don't know how to make it a lead generating Facebook campaign.
Oh.
So that is the challenge. So if you try to learn all by yourself, it is very difficult to focus on content and delivery of content. Okay, then
Okay.
your whole time will go in learning. By that time, new things will come. Facebook is changing its interface so much in
Yes,
this
yes.
few months that it makes no sense to get it. Whatever is necessary, the fundamentals or the how these things works, you should know that, and so that you should be able to decide if this agency is the right agency for you or not. I can empower all of you with that, and for that I'll be doing all these workshops. Okay, so you can participate and learn. As you rightly said, that village people are making so, but they are making all these funny videos and all. But if it is like knowledge videos proper, but it doesn't become popular just like that. Okay, they are definitely investing money in marketing.
Okay, okay.
So we also help you do that, but not at this stage. First, I want all of you to understand what we are doing. Otherwise, it is a lot of rework for us. The 3-day workshop for digitalization, if you want to create courses, online courses, if you want to start monetizing and marketing, which is strategies and influence building and all those things and Facebook campaign, then monetization marketing is one such workshop. And there will be another workshop for digital systems and tools where I will teach you how to upload your courses on LMS, how to use autoresponder, how to use the payment gateway InstaMojo, how to integrate all of these things. Earlier, I used to do this as part of my 30-day challenge. Now I've stopped doing that. Because even 15,000 was not affordable for people. So now I'm going to do it as a 999 3-day workshop, and we'll share the details. And that will be enough. You will learn across these sessions. If you have
That's why, ma'am, I want to create my brand name, ma'am, because I'm in this field for a competitive trainers for 7 years. So the students who knows me know that how good teacher I am. Due to student reference only, I'm getting students now. Okay,
Right.
so I want to reach throughout that. I'm familiar to my area students only, but I want to reach to everywhere in this country. Like that, I want to create one branding. That's my dream. That's
Yes.
my passion. So I want to reach that.
Continue to be associated with me. Continue to join these sessions. And if you want to completely set up your online business, we can help you with that as well. Okay. If you want,
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
I'm seeing the passion in you. I know you want to do this badly. And if you are willing to invest in building this business, we can definitely help you there. Okay.
Thank you so much.
And at lowest possible costs. Okay. Because I know you need money for your marketing. I'm saying that from the beginning because that was my own pain. By God's grace, I was at a position where I didn't have to worry about all these things because what I'm doing is not my livelihood. I'm doing it with a sense of contribution. So I had that much money to invest and learn, but I realized that people do have money challenges, and I realized that where even best of best, where they get stuck is not being able to market themselves. Why? Because they don't have money. Because whatever money they had, they already gave it to someone to learn, and now when they actually need it for their own growth, they don't have.
Yes.
So I'm just trying to make knowledge worth in lakhs of very, very affordable so that if you get on this track, if you guys learn it right, whatever money you are saving, put it on your marketing because that will take you to next level.
Okay, thank you.
Right. So continue to get, you can also message me separately, Ashwati, and we can look at
Sure,
what,
ma'am. Sure,
and
sure.
we can help you out and what are the next steps. Okay.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you for sharing this, asking your question. Thank you so much. Every
Thank you,
Tuesday at 9 p.m., I'm conducting these sessions.
Okay, I will surely join it.
Please join and ask your questions. So, anyone else has anything to share, any question to ask, or how was the session for you? What did you learn today? Kindly unmute yourself or come on video and you can speak.
मैडम मेरा एक डाउट है
कौन है भाई?
सुजीत पंडा।
हाँ जी सुजीत बोलिए।
मैडम मैं अभी डिजिटली ईमेल जैसे अलग अलग उसका फेज है, जैसे कि ईमेल मार्केटिंग हो गया, फेसबुक मार्केटिंग हो गया और एडवर्टाइजमेंट हो गया, और फनल मार्केटिंग हो गया, तो उसमें अभी मैं ईमेल मार्केटिंग अभी कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा,
हाँ, ईमेल मार्केटिंग में मैं जितना लोगों को मैं प्रमोट करता हूँ लैंडिंग पेज, उसमें से बहुत सारे लोग तो खोलते हैं लेकिन उसमें रेस्पॉन्स नहीं करते हैं।
ईमेल मार्केटिंग में देखिए, मैंने अपने लिए कभी ईमेल मार्केटिंग विद दैट इंटेंट ऑफ सर द वे यू राइट द कंटेंट, नाउ व्हाटएवर आई शेयर्ड आपको आज जो मैंने बताया,
हाँ हाँ
ओपनिंग क्वेश्चन, आपको सब्जेक्ट लाइन आपका बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होना है, बिकॉज इंडिया में वैसे भी कम लोग ईमेल खोलते हैं, बहुत कम लोग ईमेल खोलते हैं इंडिया में, एंड स्ट्रेंजर से ईमेल तो बहुत लोग कम खोलते हैं, तो आपका जो सब्जेक्ट लाइन होता है और जो आपका अगेन ओपनिंग लाइन होता है मेल में, ओके, those are
हम्म।
very very important. Again, it has to be addressing the problem or pain of your target audience, or has to be something in it for them, how they are going to gain from whatever marketing you are doing. Then people will open इंडिया में ओपन रेट बहुत कम होता है मेल्स का, 5% 7%.
नहीं, मैं मैडम जी, मैं 2 बार मेरा 2 बार ईमेल कैंपेन में मैं चेक किया, कम से कम 76। पिछली बार आपने जो सेशन में अटेंड किया, मटेरियल था उस सेशन का कंटेंट।
अच्छा,
आपका अगर कंटेंट अगर चेंज करेंगे, यानी वैल्यूएबल कंटेंट रखेंगे, तो आपका रेस्पॉन्स थोड़ा बढ़ जाएगा।
ठीक,
तो उसमें ऊपर मैं ध्यान दिया और लैंडिंग पेज में मैं कंटेंट का चेंज करना चालू किया। तो
अच्छा,
उसमें मेरा क्या है ना, मेरा मेल ओपनिंग परसेंटेज 76% आ गया, 36 से
वेरी
40% ग्रोथ हो गया।
वेरी
ठीक है,
गुड.
लेकिन मेल तो ओपन किया है, लेकिन उसके बाद उसका कोई रेस्पॉन्स नहीं है उसका, यानी मुझे सेकंड मेल कुछ करना चाहिए, उसको छोड़ देना चाहिए।
नहीं, बिल्कुल करना है. फॉर्च्यून इज इन फॉलो अप. Fortune is in follow up. At least 7 times minimum you should follow up. छोड़ना नहीं है उसको, एकदम से पीछे भी नहीं पड़ जाना है, बट बेचना भी नहीं है. Don't become very salesy. I don't know what is the content, but you must engage. Okay.
हाँ
Uh,
हाँ। नहीं, अभी आपने जो आज का जो टॉपिक था डिस्कशन, आप फ्री में दो या पेड में दो, क्योंकि आपको किसी भी हालत में मार्केटिंग करना है।
yes.
ठीक है, तो यानी मैं अभी जो उनको जो मेल किया था वो फ्री वेबिनार था,
हाँ.
तो फ्री ही था, लेकिन मैं उसमें क्या है ना, अपना कंटेंट को चेंज किया, लेकिन उसमें रिस्पांस पर्सन क्या है 76% आ गया। अभी उसको फॉलोअप में फिर से नया मेल भेजना पड़ेगा।
करेक्ट. और आप पूरा हफ्ते में 2 बार मेल भेजिए उनको फॉलो, और किसी सपोज इवेंट हो गया आपका, तो बोलिए कि दोज हु हैज मिस्ड द वेबिनार, हियर इज अ रिकॉर्डिंग. सो कीप देम एंगेज्ड.
ओके मैडम, ओके।
कीप देम एंगेज्ड. यू डोंट, ईमेल मार्केटिंग में आपको पूरा सीक्वेंसिंग करना है. एक ईमेल से काम नहीं होगा, आपको बहुत सारा, एटलीस्ट 1 महीना जब वो नया लीड आता है उसको 1 महीना तक एंगेज करके रखना है. मतलब रोज रोज मेल नहीं करना है, उसका स्ट्रैटेजी होना है कि आप क्या भेजोगे. बेचना कुछ नहीं है.
ना, मुझे तो बेचना कुछ नहीं है, बस मेरे को अभी जैसे आपने जैसे बोले, पहले अब बेचने से पहले 6 महीना 7 महीना तक इन्फ्लुएंस बनाइए मार्केट में।
बस.
ठीक है,
करेक्ट.
तो इसके बाद मार्केट अपने आप आपके पास आ जाएगा।
बिल्कुल सही. सो
तो अभी जो आपने जैसे बोले सीक्वेंस क्या है, अभी मान लीजिए आज मैं एक मेल किया हूँ, तो उसको कितना दिन के बाद फिर से मेल करना चाहिए? डेली करना चाहिए या 1 डे 2 डेज इंटरवल में करना चाहिए?
वीक में 2 बार या मैक्सिमम 3 बार बस है, नहीं तो स्पैम बना देंगे लोग आपको, अनसब्सक्राइब करना चालू कर देंगे. 2 हफ्ते में 2 मेल इज गुड. ओके, कीप इट ट्वाइस अ वीक. एंड सपोज आप अभी मैंने आज मेरा सेशन किया, अब जो लोग नहीं आए सेशन में उनको मैं रिकॉर्डिंग भेज सकती हूँ, बट आई एम नॉट डूइंग ऑल दोस थिंग्स राइट नाउ बिकॉज I have some challenges at home front, so I'm not this, but I have already a mail campaign which is going on. But otherwise, those, like, I have more than 500 people in my Zoom webinar who signed up for this satsang, right? But I have more than 2,000 people who are my leads in just 2 months for that free course. But not everybody shows up, right? Free session के लिए I'm just sending one reminder message. तो क्या होता है कि लोग आते नहीं है, बार बार रिमाइंड करना पड़ता है. तो ना अभी मेरा इवेंट जैसे अभी ट्यूसडे को खत्म हुआ, तो tomorrow I can send an email saying that those of you who missed my session, here is the recording. I can also send to the ones who attended that if you would like to revisit again, here's the recording. तो हफ्ते में 2 बार आपसे एंगेज करना डिसाइड किया. मंडे एंड फ्राइडे आई विल एंगेज, बट वेडनेसडे आई विल सेंड द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ माय ईमेल. सो मेरा हफ्ते में 3 मेल हो गया.
तो ईमेल सीक्वेंस के लिए कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म सही है मैडम?
There are a lot of auto response, get response, एक्टिव कैंपेन, कन्वर्ट किट, Aweber, ये 4 ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर्स हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं। मेरे वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे तो आप टूल्स करके, रिसोर्सेस करके एक पेज है, वहां सब लिस्ट किया है मैंने।
Okay, madam.
So thank you everyone for your time today, and if you think my session has added value in your life, I would request you to review. I have shared the link in the chat box. If you can share how the session was for you there, it will really help me reach out. I need your help so that I can reach out to many people, because this is the era of reviews. And if you think this session has added any value in your life, it will be great if you can share some views on this website. Thank you so much, Himanshu. Amitav had a question: will Facebook Live work out to create confidence among the target here? Perfect. Will definitely it will. It will. But do it for at least 21 days. A post, a live session, or a video back to back for 21 days. Okay, and in these 21 days, one day you can do a blog, one day you can do a video, one day you can do some post, and one day, weekly once you can do one live, or twice you can do live sessions in a week, and have a strategy for so what happens is, it builds. When you post more frequently, Facebook also starts giving you more priority. Okay, and you will start building your influence there, and you can direct people to your free PDF or free download and get the name and mail IDs of whoever is interested in whatever you do. Right, Amitav? So go ahead and do that. Yeah, 1 second, I'm going to share my website. And somebody wanted to know how to access the course. So I don't know who was it. I'm sharing my website, vandanamehrotra.com, but I'm just sharing the link. Anyone has any questions, or we are done for tonight? This is my website, and if you want to know the tools, resources pages, I'm affiliate for some of these tools. Okay. And I've personally used them. I've benefited from them, and hence I'm telling you. Right, so I've used Aweber, I've used GetResponse, I've also used ConvertKit, and I've also used, right now all my things are happening on active campaign. Okay, so I've used all these autoresponders for different needs. Why I've shifted, many reasons. Sometimes my mentor told that this is the right tool, but later I figured out, so I wanted more automation. So that tool was not working out for me. Hi, Ummi. This is what I was looking out for: how to conduct my own webinar and how to create leads is one of the greatest challenge. Yes, it's a challenge for a lot of people. Continue to be in touch with me. I'll be announcing this paid workshop. It will be priced at 999, though the value will be in lakhs. And in those 3 days, if you want to whatever is your need, only learning digital systems and tools, or learning how to market and monetize, or creating your courses and hosting them on Udemy or your learning management system or Vimeo, how to create high converting courses, digitalization. Okay, so whatever is your need, these workshops will happen. We'll announce them starting June. By the way, I forgot to announce 29th of May. Okay, I'm having a session where I'm opening up my learning management system. So those of you who are here, serious learners, let me share my screen. I'm going to show you something very interesting. So this is always, there is a free gift for people who stay back, always, okay? So if I'm going to give you the link to join my webinar on, join my event on 29th of May. As promised earlier, some of you who are coming from my 5-day WhatsApp class, okay, you can see my learning management hub, okay. So I am going to be giving most of these courses free, okay. The value is in, it will be, if I put a price to all of this, it should definitely be around 10 lakhs in value, okay. So I'm going to be giving all these courses absolutely free, which is on 29th of May. If you join my, it is only for people who join my event. So wait, one more, maybe on my website, I'm going to share with you this link to make it easier for you. 1 second. Yeah. I have these online courses, premium online courses, okay. So the list of all the courses are here. Okay. So those of you who feel I have money challenges or whatever, now you have all the information at one place. You can continue to what you need to do is stop browsing internet to learn from 10 different places. Okay, just put all your energy and effort at one place. If you think I can be a great mentor for you, simply go over my videos. It will give you all the necessary direction, and I'm making it absolutely free. Okay, but this is for people who are joining my event on 29, because it is only for serious learners. I don't want to do a mass blast, because in last 4 years I have a database of over 15,000 plus people, but people simply accumulate. They don't do anything with the content, and my content is important. I don't want it to go waste, so I'm keeping it only for serious learners. So if you're a serious learner, just a moment, I'll give you the link. We actually started, some of you will receive email also from us. My team has, we started this today, so I am not having the link handy, but give me a moment. Let me see if I can give you the link to register for that event. Just hold on. Yeah, I have the link. Hold on. I'm going to give you the link. You can join here. It's at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. on 29th May. This is the link to join the course. You can register in advance for this, right? So most of the, whatever, fundamentals, like Aswati was saying, right? What to do, there's a lot of how to make low cost videos. My inner circle, it is like the recordings of my 30-day challenge. I have done over 4-5 batches. All the recordings are there where I've gone into detail of everything. So I'm just going to make it free, everything free until the last batch. But please make the most of it. Don't waste it, because if you try to do, I have invested more than 28 lakhs in last 4 years to learn what I am teaching you only in the digital world. And in last 9 or 10 years, since 2012, I have invested more than 42 lakhs learning from world's best mentors. So I learn from the best so I can share with the rest. Maybe I have been put in a place where I have the capacity to invest and learn. But I also understand that not everyone has that capacity, and maybe that is my purpose, right? I learn from the best and I share with the rest. I can make it very, very pocket friendly, very, very affordable for all of you, because if you are a good teacher, if you are a great knowledge giver, if you have something valuable to offer to this world, you are at the right place. Okay, just continue to be associated with me, either for free or for paid programs, whatever suits you. You have no obligation to buy anything. Whatever are my recorded courses, I'm offering it free on 29th of May. Okay, whatever are my live sessions, one live session every Tuesday at 9 p.m. will be free. Okay, for lifetime. We will see till what time I want to continue doing this. And if you want to attend paid workshops, that will be priced at 999. I'm sharing that as well. I don't want to play any number gimmicks and all those things. And if you want to learn, if you're a serious learner and you really want to shift online, if you want to take charge of your life and business, become self-dependent, reduce your dependency on salaries and jobs. Okay, this is the time for knowledge givers. I say knowledge givers, apna time aa gaya. With that note, I will see you on next Tuesday, right?
Link for 29th session, can you share?
I shared I shared my invitation. Okay, let me do it again. Oh, I didn't put it on the group. Sorry, I just copied it and then I copied something else, so I lost it on the clipboard. Yeah. This is the link. Please register. So I am not sure if you're already in our database, then you will receive an email regarding this, but you are the first group to know about this. So thank you so much for staying back. And I'm sure all of you are serious learners. So it was nice hosting all of you, Muneeb, Sujit. Sujit, thank you for playing my co-host today and helping, helping me with this. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Amita, Ummi, Anju, Aswati, Guruji, Rohit, Sanjay. Sanjay, you have been coming again and again. Thank you so much. I do see your name again and again in the sessions. Santosh, Vishwesh, and everyone else. Rohit, if I have missed Prashant, Naina, Nitin, Sharda. Sharda has been attending. Dhruv has been part of many such sessions. So thank you, everyone. It was nice hosting all of you today as well, and I look forward to serving you again and again with whatever I know, and if that can help you shift forward in your life and business. Take care. Good night, everyone, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Be there. Bye for now.
खाना खा लो ठंडा हो रहा है